Hello you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and you guys don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and please don't forget to hit the notification button and the bell so you can know every time I post a video. And you guys don't forget to share this video with anyone who loves hair, makeup, ET, smokers, all my stoners, all my 420 babes. And you guys, as you can tell by the title down below, today I'll be crimping my hair, and I'm just gonna do like the little half up, half down style today. I literally just set my wig on my head today, you guys. It's not glued down or anything. I just did like through the swoops of baby hair, really lazy today. And as you guys can see, I beat my face earlier, which I should have recorded that for you guys, but I already have a makeup video, and for some reason it's not trying to download. Like, I don't know, but I'm just trying to get this video out for you guys today. And you guys, when I say I am so unprepared right now, like, I didn't set up for doing this. I had my little station set up with my makeup, so like all my makeup stuff is like still in front of me, and I'm really just winging it. I just decided to do this out of the blue. So, and you guys, yes, I am starting in the front, which I usually start in the back. But I really just want to see how these going to look, if I'm going to like them, because if not, I will be flattering my hair. And you guys, I was going to do my another bob wig I have for you guys today, but I didn't even feel like cutting the baby hair and doing all the extraness. So I just set this wig back on my head. And guys, I haven't done crimps in so long, like since I was in high school. So we're gonna see. And I won't be putting any holding spray or anything on here because I'm not going to keep them in that long, to be honest. And you guys don't mind my background. My dog is just chilling back there. I haven't made my bed up yet. Really just getting my day started. I don't know yet, you guys. This might be a hit or miss. And you guys, I do have the electric crimps. I've had these for like a long time, a very long time. I don't know, I might like it. It might be a little something. Just something different, you guys. That's all. And I'm not taking very big sections, and I'm not taking, you know, small sections. Guys, I don't have anything. I didn't get any bobby pins or nothing. I'm just going to brush it out with my bent brush. And you guys, I'm going to do half, and then I'll come back once I'm done with the other half.
got me doing things I never thought I'd do. Just so you know, ain't never let you go. You're mine, oh, just so you know, you're mine for sure. Yeah, you're mine for sure. Yeah, you're mine for sure.
I begin to
It's so special, boy, how it feels when I'm with you. You got me doing things I never thought I'd do. Just so you know, ain't never let you go. You're mine, oh,
results. And you guys, I think I freaking like it. Like, I don't know if I want to tease this top ponytail or not, but like, what do you guys think? Tease it or leave it? Because it's gonna get poofy anyways. I should have wrapped my little piece of hair around my little band. But you guys, what do you guys think? Are you guys feeling it or not? Because I'm feeling it. And it actually didn't take as long as I thought it was, you know. I think I'm going to leave it and not tease it. I don't know. I'm going to tease it just a little bit at the bottom. Oh, did I mess it up? I think I messed it up, you guys. Because this hair is, well, no. This hair is very, very soft. So, are these going to last? Who knows? I think I kind of teased this side a little bit too much. I like how this side is flowing. So I'm just going to pick this top layer up and leave the bottom, comb it, and hit it with these one more time. Okay, that's better. So you guys, like, what do you guys think? I actually really like this. It's cute. It's different. You know, it's different for me because I haven't had this style. I haven't had crimps like again, as I said, since high school. So you guys, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys love this hairstyle as much as I did. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And please don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can know every time your girl posts a video. I will see you guys in the next video. I love you so much. I hope everyone has a nice, safe, and blessed day. And you guys come back and check me out. Check me out. I'm really feeling it. Ow! Okay, you guys, on that note, I'm about to roll up, take a suck session, and eat. So, bye-bye.